Open your eyes. Can you open your eyes? Where's your eyes? What do you say? It's a brand new day. Can you yawn?
What's this?
Stretch. Stretch. Oh, reach for the sky.
The sky.
And touch your feet. Can you touch your feet?
Touch your feet.
Touch your feet.
Touch your feet.
Breakfast time. Come on, let's eat.
It's cookie.
Orange juice. Can you drink your juice? And cereal too. Eat your cereal. Buttered toast and broccoli stew. Ew. Hurry, hurry, go get dressed. Put on clothes that you like best. Ready? Let's go play.
Let's go play.
You're too small for a basketball unless you play with someone tall. What's that? Basketball.
Oh no.
It's too big. You're too big to use the swings. You should go on big guy things. Morning snack is here for you. Oh. Abby, sit down. Okay, there we go. Try out the jump rope. Can you jump?
Yes.
Jump.
That's Mama.
Yeah, jump. Slide down the slide. Are you tired? Come inside.
Let's go jump.
Morning snack is here for you. Milk and cookies and broccoli stew. Eat.
Ew.